All right. We are cooking, boys. So I slept, and now we will continue coding first wire. The problem so now we have the system alphas. It's no longer alphabet, the system dots and the system alphas. The system alphas are for the user. They can create their own alphas. And the dots is, yeah, they're the same idea. One character, not one or two, because we have so many special characters that we just can say that dot in any character is a modifier, and the dot itself is special. So we have alphas and we have dot alphas, which we shorten to dots. And alphas is short for alphabet letter, not just alphabet letter. Yeah, let's write this down. Time's flying right now, which is fine because our street corners won't run on time. They run on frames, and then I guess the next attempt at creating our own progression system, which I don't like the word progression, our own development system, maybe evolution system, will be junks. And I also had air. So maybe air is before junks, because DNA comes before. Well, not junks, but we introduced both. Or DNA is more about the cells, which I thought I would do this later, but it's too fundamental. So on DNA you'll find the cells. Okay, when we have frames on first while, then during DNA, yeah, let's just make junks. And it doesn't matter, we can just call it air. What is not time? Because time is time. It's air with an E. Air with an E at the end. And then on IRL, it's junks. This makes sense. Do I have it in here? I don't think so. It's in the other project, which I restarted. Not a bend, it's the same idea. I just started writing new code because too many things changed. So I coded for a week. Or in that case, I let AI code basically. And then I restarted, and now I write most myself. because it's too new. Oh, well, it's true, unless someone... Hey, where's my... How does this? The last time I clicked on it and it worked. Is this the same? Yes, it is. Wow. That is very intrusive, that I have to click on the link. It kind of makes sense, I guess. Social. A shorter word for protocell, a PAL. It sounds silly, but why not? A P cell? A P. That's cute. A P? But that's already taken. A PAL. A cell and a PAL. Prel? Proto? Prel. A prel. That sounds very harsh. Okay, maybe what is a protocell? Oh, we can take a look at DNA. but they always have long names. But we can take a long name and then make it shorter. Maybe something comes up when we... Oh, we have protocells in DNA. That is interesting. And it's also interesting that we do not get the AI overview when we write this together, which it says here it should. That's interesting. You've seen that, right? So interesting. Membrane bonds. Okay, it's just called protocell. I guess, okay. Oh, it's an artificial cell? Wait, what's artificial about it? Is it man-made? Oh, it's really man-made, I think. Ah, they do. I was wondering if they do that, if they are able to do this already. Okay, I guess we call it PAL. It's a working title. Let's give it... A cell. Oh, what's... Oh, a creek? Hi. Oh. Wait, is this... the... It has the same sound as the Greek letter pi. Is this where pi comes from? The number? So I guess it wasn't the Romans who had all the names for the letters. It was just Greeks and others, but not the Romans. It's just phonetic P. That is so relatable. Oh, why do you potatoes? Oh, a toe. But toe is already, but alpha is also. A toe is kind of cute. A toe. A pal. Pal does not exist. That's appealing. A toe sounds better than pal. Toe. Maybe we have synonyms for proto. Early model. First. Yeah, it's translation more. Ancestral. Proto. Yeah, whatever. Pal. Okay. Let me check for a second. How do I see in case someone joins and they don't type? How do I see this? I can't, not in OBS, right? Stream nothing. Wait, what? Yes. Oh. Beschreibung hinzufügen. I can't. It says this for people because I don't have a description. Beschreibung is description in German. Okay, I will code in a second. I will. Well, look, of a pair marks a pair is very close to each other in a new. I don't want to say line. Oh. Because. No, I just say what a line is. When you hit enter, you write a new line. Even if visually it appears on multiple lines. When you consciously hit enter, at least how I write it, we start a new line. And that is somewhat of a namespace clash with, so this is why I usually avoid words that are already taken and invent my own. But it's weird anyway that a line is a line of text, even if it goes. I mean, first it depends on which dimension the medium has the text appears in. I mean, let me demonstrate what. No, this doesn't work here. If it would, this also doesn't work. You can get text, obviously, everybody knows this. The text alignment changes how many characters can appear on one line. And literal line in geometry. And also timeline, which is not geometry, but kind of, because it's a coordinate, a timestamp. My mind, I'm getting some jazz about a point can be described with one coordinate. I mean, I guess it can. Or you can say that you always have to tie this to time as well. Because if you have just like the spatial dimensions for that dot, first of all, what about any hidden dimensions? And I don't mean that in the sci-fi sense. Just say hidden spatial dimensions. This is getting too philosophical. Wow, have I ever said this word? I've written it a lot. It's written like this. Codilosophy is philosophical. Codilosophical. Oh, I did write it before because it doesn't give me a squiggly line. But I never said it. I think I never said codilosophy before out loud. Now I did. Wait, I did have a word for when we use it. Did I? When we use the system for an IR link, for IR links. Mods, I guess, modifier. Wait, let me read if I did not. When I was lying in bed just now, I had a word for this. Oh, no, not. Oh, or is it? No, it's not. To take is something else. Oh, did I do a typo here? Kind of. want to say pink. Okay, I wrote that down. So where was I? Let's use system. First, let's really remove this. And then we do so I guess we can, no, this is for the lines, spots. Do we need a new store for the system? Yeah, I guess eventually we need it. So let's give label and SOP or SOP. And I mean, we can change it later, but for now, change, I guess, when it was created. What else do we need for the system? Yeah, we can update this later. The thing is, we also want, when we enter the name of the system inside the text, we want that system UI element to appear, but not as big as there. But we can just do this. Wow, this is lagging. This is such a shit laptop. No, this was not. Whatever. No, which is not bad. Oh, oh wow, that's actually a pretty good suggestion. No. Okay, stop is for semantic operator. I think I said this. And what I'm thinking here is that when someone enters a semantic operator, we can one second. This gets used as the semantic operator for the system, but only the first one. So the sequence, when we are inside a sequence and add an SOP, and the first one becomes the first one we enter in the sequence, which should usually be the first character in the sequence anyway, the first block. And yeah. So now we can also outsource this to no, why is it? Didn't I just write it? Yeah, no. Okay. Index must have a name. Which one? Index must have a name. Or maybe I have... No, not day. This comes later. I don't think so. Huh? Maybe here. Is that the problem? Oh. Yeah, this seems to be a problem. Okay. So now we say and the want is a lookup or system. Is it system or systems? Systems. Oh no, it is under spots. Yeah, I think because when we do not have yeah, okay, this kind of makes sense. Oh, also let's do this and then I think this is the right syntax, right? No? Where? Oh, yeah. Nope. No, that is also wrong. And I'm not sure if I need this. Styles. Okay. So this gives us the style. And then the indo. I mean, that's not wrong. On twice. We take it from here right now. The hyphens. Which one was this? Which one did I use? I guess I can just... Oh no, this doesn't... Does this work? Now we see. I think we can also not do an on-click, but do the just with the on-mouse down events. When we listen for clicks, and then have the on-enter event, which I do next. Okay, whatever. Not whatever, this is important. Can we have undefined reading SOP? Yes. Why do you get called anyway? When check is not defined. Oh. Styles is not defined. Wait, what? The system. Did I? What? I didn't. Okay. Syssets cannot read the property of undefined because we don't pass it the indo, and the indo comes from, I mean, it does come from here, but this will still be undefined. So, do we I mean, we can just add the question mark, right? Oh, but why does this show up? I don't understand. System. Oh, system.current. Here. Now this disappears. And I guess my instinct is to make a use effect hook here to check for not dots, query the result, if query the result, first let's log query dot result, which I think should be an empty array. Are we sure? Okay, let's do this next. So back to the strokes. Yeah, the dot, the comma, the space is not special, which is fine. Yeah. Oh, the shift. This need, oh, interesting. So, so you start this. Okay, let's just focus on the letters. In the C, change the block. So we have the element. So I guess we go in line and then take. We have so much for this, but we do not have. That's weird. Oh no, we do have the line. I guess, and let me think. Take in low always. Okay, industry block, and then we do a use state because it needs to re-render. It can have more. So it's not the sequence. Or is it the sequence? Yeah, I guess it is the sequence, which we give to the line. This is complicated. Because sometimes we hit enter to create a new line. Oh, this isn't easy. Not for me, at least. I really should just check with how little, just how few features this starts making pennies. And then I can outsource all this coding to people who actually know what they're doing. Okay, so let's take okay. So sequence. So I guess this will be just, this won't be a string. Okay. I don't know, maybe we need this else string as well. So we make a proc with use procs. Oh, this worked interestingly. Does it have an element? Yes, it has the element. So current.elements.push into C element, right? Current.current.elements. Why is this undefined? Current.current.elements. It even Wait, what? Current. This is the object, and then the elements, and this is an array. Or I forgot what this was for, but let's not delete it right now. Oh, now it works. Okay. So, and we have this line which takes the sequence dot current Is this like this? So I guess we have this input here. It takes how many lines do we line? So we make a line and this gives us a line. Let's just do a use state. And then, I mean, it is just a bunch of lines, this input. We have different inputs, I think. Let's just... I thought it was like this. Maybe I'm wrong. Or is it without the dots? Or do I have to map it? I don't think so. Okay, so we have, okay, so this creates a line, which is good. So I guess on startup, or do we do this in the import? Not the use import, but the actual import. I mean, I want a new import for every DNP and DNS. So we cannot hard code, but first let's just close everything so we can reopen it. Let's just go for, okay, so the out die, right now we have the synput hard coded here, but I guess we need I wonder if I'm kind of dumb or if this needs time to think to get it right. So I would think that we do a header. Should this be inside the synput? No, you know what? Okay, let's really just for now hard code it. So we need some, the synput has the lines, and the lines do we okay, this is bad signs. This means yeah. Target select. Okay, this at least works. And then we do line. So synput line. Use line 74. Because we do not have an indo. Yeah, that's true. Indo C line. But we need to make the line we give the callback. I think we give the ref to the callback. Or in lines. Yeah. Okay, where do I use input? We have, no, it's even one further, it's in target. Maybe I did too many users. So first, this was bad. We should not, let's call this the input. And this is the ref. Oh, shit. So in case we want to target multiple inputs and we need to do a duplicate check for this, but that's, which also makes me believe that because we have to check oh, this input, okay, this one here. Function target. So when we have this input, we target that input and we give it this ref. Do we have, and this takes lines. Oh, okay. And this line, we are currently doing this. Okay, first let's change the target to input. So it takes the reference, I think. And then do we even need a callback function for the line? And we can just do it. Do we even need a ref? I'm just now thinking, what do we need it for? Because we are setting the talks in here. Okay, let's try this. Once again, we need a callback because this function, I don't know how to, I guess with the ref, but we can just do the callback, right? We give it the take function. No. No, not indo.target. indo.c.talk. Okay, let's try this. Oh, we also have, we don't even use, we use the current sequence. I'm doing both right now. But what makes more sense? I think if we use a sequence, how I originally did it. So let's just go to use strokes. If I didn't already do this. Oh yeah, I did do this. So we do have maybe I don't need a sequence, I guess it's how you pronounce it, not sequence, but I say sequence. Take current.current.elements. So this really does produce the elements, I'm pretty sure. What? Okay, yeah, this works. It doesn't have a key, which is bad. So we produce this with a stroke. right? Wait, where? Where we do create this, I'm pretty sure. Or do we create it inside? No, we don't need, I think we don't need the sequence element. Where do I create the, it's gotta be strokes, right? Okay, so we have a letter. Take. Type of symbol vectors, do we even have? A proc, yes. Oh, here, proc.make. So what is the key? I guess we can do, oh, first of all, this is fabrics now. Okay. So the key. Let's try to find the right. I mean, we can make a wanted to do this. Wait, why doesn't he? Not, yeah, Indo. So, oh, that's a lot of data. Oh, one thing. Moods, yeah. Do I even have moods in here? Yeah, moods. Let's rename this to moods because it is plural. The question is, do we want the moods separate? Yeah, I guess we can. Yeah. Okay, this was just a quick one to derail my thoughts. Oh yeah, the question was, what do we use for the key? We use, oh, backspace undefined. Let's look at this data. Soon, because we need backspace. Oh, we give ownable key is now. Which element is this, by the way? Who cares? The key. So, I guess we make a character count. We make a new dexy, a new want for blocks. No, we don't need the. Whatever. Okay, so this makes more sense to not call it query because it's implied by use query, but we call the name of the want. This once again, and also we need to upgrade the version to the beautiful number 24. Where was I? Oh yeah, I wanted the lookup. So we get on startup the lookup, which we then like first console log lookup result. It's an empty array because we didn't write anything in there, I think. So the lookup for the procs. Yeah, I think this is correct. This is the right way to go about this. And to go on to lookup.results. Huh? Wait, what? Oh, okay. This was just lag. This should start at startup, right? So we need or do you say it's procs? prox result. Okay, so we know that it is a letter. Okay, first let's do some more value. So first of all, this is important. So it's a value, not just the content, whatever. Indo C key. No, let's call this. Yeah, no, let's do. Just this for now. So we have the V. Yeah, this really makes more sense. Oh, the mood is undefined. Why? And what frame are we? Oh, we're close to 30,000, not frames. But frames divided by 6, I guess. Okay, first let's fix this. No, not. Oh, I have way too many things open already. Or once again. I mean, we have time. No need to hurry. I mean, we are under a little time trouble. Okay. Why does this work? Now, mood indo c dot moods. Use change. Oh, wow. This gets called all the time. Why? Why? From what? From line? From diff of input. key. Oh, this constantly gets called. This isn't good. Oh, maybe because of this. Maybe not. C is undefined. Why? Windows undefined. Okay, I do not understand this. Why? Why does it work without the... Yeah, I guess we just do this in a use effect one more time. Not change gets updated too often, I think. But on the other hand, I mean, we can just do flag, I guess. Oh, this doesn't work. Okay, but this gets caught. Why? Oh no, this is... Ah, wait. Oh, it stops and then it does every time it uploads. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah. Yeah, that's okay. So, I guess this works. But that is weird. That can it be the key like this? I can just do date out now. Okay, so we do not need this. So I don't know if we fix it, but we don't crash. Okay. So back to procs. Use procs. Oh, why don't we don't? Oh no, we do get a procs result. So now Indo of decks. Oh, but we should change the mood. Yeah, this is what we wanted to change. Ah, yeah, this was because this kept getting mood is undefined. Annoying. Indo.c beacons mood. It's just mood. Why? That's how we change this. Moods. Why does it say mood? Indo.c moods. Ah, this is why. I'm pretty sure this now it's no longer undefined. Change moods. Wait, why does it have the... Why does it have frame? Change... Okay, this is wrong. Indo.c moods... Ah. Yeah, because we want moods. Want moods. Moods. In case you get inspired by any of this, you can email me under wait, why? Under what's the? It's Johannes at 4cents.de or better. Sysnaps, I forgot. sysnaps.barks.cody@gmail.com. sysnaps.barks.cody@gmail.com. Okay, and this probably because Indo-C. Oh, this is because of this. Yeah, this is bad because I set the content there. So we do this. I wonder why it. Okay, DMP, domain model trail IR link. This looks like we do this in spots. Maybe. I was hoping I would find it. No, that's not it. DMP domain IR link model trail. Where is this? Oh wait, we can just do the broader Indo, then we know. Lines IR link. This doesn't have. This is because it's not coming from. Because it is not coming from moods, which is annoying. So for the change, what we have to do, I think, is to go all the way to startup and mood ref equals use ref. Oh wait, this is even... Okay, let's outsource this and introduce 20 more bugs. Moods. We start up and say that we put it here. Oh, we don't have the sequence. No, that is annoying. Do we need a sequence even? Do we need it already? Or was this just solved by me in advance? Oh, it doesn't even deconstruct it. So, who gives the turkey? Maybe we don't even need a spot. Good. Okay, this is plural. Moods ref dot current is gleich moods. And then we also go here because in app we say that this takes moods now. And this still doesn't work, and I think that's okay. Because, what did we say? Change, moods. No. But I think we didn't change yet. I think just now might be all right. Moods. Nice. Moods is moods the moods. Nope. Moods is null. He's saying when it gets called, this sucks. This sucks. This change moods ref dot current. It's all over. It's going all over index.db, so I guess we can just do a second user call to moods. Should we do this? Or just a live query and get the moods? Yeah, let's do this. And I hope I didn't. Oh, I don't even have mood yet. Oh no, we can also name our moods. Give the sub and the count and the states. And then we remove this. And we go Shift, Control, Alt, and also potentially this.